6:30 Monday morning. We're heading over from Waterville, Maine. We're gonna head over to Bangor. Get this truck, scanned and find out why it's losing power going uphill and why the light, the engine light stays on. So it's about 12 degrees right now, which is a little bit warmer than yesterday and the day before. Checked into the service department here at the Kenworth dealer, North England, New England Kenworth. I learned how to say that right. Here in Hermon, Maine. So I made myself a cup of hot chocolate. So they're waiting for me there, and I'm adding the next video for this last load that I just did. So working on December 7th. The video from December the 7th, which I could have done, but it got kind of lazy, so there you go. So work on this while I'm waiting for them to pull me into one of the bays. and we'll see what they, how long it's going to take. Who knows?
Detect identity threats, and Norton Security protects devices against cyber threats.
Yeah, right. All right, so basically across the street from the Kenworth shop here at Dice Arts here in Herman, Maine. So now all I can do here is sit and wait for a load to be assigned. Oh well. Just want to go in. Take a walk inside here, take a look around, and we'll probably come right back out here and make some lunch, because I really haven't had anything for breakfast. So, you know, I had a cup of hot chocolate, had me a Powerade, and that's really all I've had this morning. So